Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Geeky Script. Today I am going to show you how to install Claude Code on a Windows operating system. So for that, first you need to go to favorite browser and to type over here Claude Code, download, hit enter. First one is an ad, you need to scroll down and you will get this Claude Code desktop edition. So you click on this link. This link I am going to provide right on our video description. Here you need to switch to this overview tab. And as you scroll down over here, you will get all these different links. So you can use any of the link to download Claude locally on your system. We are going to use this command, but in order to execute this command, you need to have Git Bash installed on your system. So for that, open a new tab and just simply type git download. So on my previous videos, I have already showed you how to install Git. So you can follow that video for more information. In this video also I am going to quickly download Git and going to install Git. So just to download the setup for your respective operating system and install Git locally on your system. Click on yes to provide administrative privileges. Here just click on next again. You can check all these different options. Click on next again. Click on next again, next, again next. Everything we need to keep it default and install Git quickly. And there you go, our Git is now rightly installed. You can check this launch Git Bash and click on finish. You can see that our Git Bash is rightly opened. So you can close this now, you can close this release note as well. So now that our Git is rightly installed, you can go back to your Claude official site and you can just copy this Windows PowerShell command. So click on this copy and now you go to search and type PowerShell. So just open Windows PowerShell. Here just right click and paste that command and hit enter. That's going to start downloading Claude and going to install it locally on your system. You need to have active internet connection during this installation. And there you go, our installation is completed. So if you go to this location that is on users, then .local folder in the bin, you will get that claude.exe. So just select this path and go to your file explorer and just paste that path over here and hit enter. You can see that claude.exe is properly installed, so that's why it is showing up over here. So this path you need to set to your environment variable. So you just copy this path again and go to search and type environment. So that will show you this edit the system environment variable. Just go there, click on environment variable, click on path and click on edit. Now you just click on new and paste that path over here. Now click on OK, then again OK, and then again OK. And now if you go back to your command prompt again, or Windows PowerShell rather, you can just simply type this Claude -- flag help and hit enter and you are going to get this prompt. So you can do the same stuff on your command prompt as well. So if you open your command prompt, once you have Claude installed and you hit that same command over here, you can see the prompt coming. So if you are getting this, then all that basically means is you have successfully installed Claude. Now if you just simply run the command called Claude, you can see this prompt coming over here. So you can maximize this. So let's get started. We'll proceed with the dark. You can toggle to other modes like light, dark, colorblind friendly and all that you can easily toggle. I'll proceed with the default dark theme and here you need to set your Claude account. So you can use any of the method to log in to your Claude. You can use Claude account with subscription or Anthropic console account or even a third-party applications. So whichever account you want, you can just simply sign in and then you are good to start with Claude locally on your system. So that's how you install Claude Code on a Windows operating system. Please do check out my other videos on our channel Geeky Script. I have posted several AI videos starting from using Google Antigravity or Cursor, or even how to set it up Olama to use other different AI models locally on your system. So you can watch all these different videos on our channel. I'm sure you are going to love them. And if you're interested on Python, so for that also I have created this cool Python project playlist. So all these different games or creating a resume builder, all that videos you can get on our channel for completely free. Detailed source code with proper explanation is also available. So that's basically all about this video. Thank you very much for watching this video, and God bless you all.